Hi friends, let me show you this new grill cover that I received for reviewing purposes. This is my grill and I like to have it covered, but the old cover is really old. So this one is a very new, nice one. Let me show you, okay? It comes in a small bag, but as you can see, it's a really large unit, okay? So we are going to put it on top of it. Perfect. As you can see, it fits great my grill, and you want to use these Velcro strips so the cover will be secure and it won't go away with the wind, okay? Perfect. Really nice grill cover, and it will protect your grill and it looks great in your patio. Thank you.